This is Nominex Crypto Exchange, one of the best exchanges in the market, with low commissions, hefty liquidity, and many trading pairs. Great user interface, discount cards to save even more, demo tournaments with real prizes, easy and fast withdrawals, own IEO launchpad, proprietary Nominex tokens, and more. But there is one more thing that makes Nominex unique: its partner program. This program has no analogs in the market. Of all top 15 crypto exchanges in the market, 3 don't have any referral program at all. 11 limit their initiatives to cashbacks paid from referrals activities, and 1 managed to create something relatively complex. With Nominex program, you can start a business of your own. Nominex referral program is a tailor-made system that brings you to the next level. The business that will function and bring you money. It is a binary tree system that bears several and unprecedented set of features. Your tree can have as many levels as you can imagine: 10, 20, 1,000, or more. The beauty of this is that you get rewarded from activities of every member of your tree. The spillover effect will bring more members into your tree, people you never met and don't even know. The beauty of the binary structure is that you or any other participant can have only 2 people on the level below, and once a new affiliate partner joins, the system will allocate him or her elsewhere down in the tree. That is called spillover, and that is how you'll be getting new members in your tree without any effort at all. But there is more. Nominex offers 4 types of bonuses and 6 ways to make profit. You can get bonuses from trading commissions, benefit from Nominex tokens purchases, earn from sales of discount packages, get rewarded for launchpad sales of tokens, get a cut from profits booked by Nominex holders. And we are not done yet. The program rewards you for team activities and offers bonuses for your rank. You get instant payouts in Nominex tokens, and those can help you grow even more. Stop hesitating. Join now.